仕事くらいすぐに見つけられる。られる。
To be able to do something. The potential form is used to express the ability or possibility to do an action. It is created by attaching rareru to the verb stem. The potential form of a verb allows you to say that someone can do something.
教師から叱られている時には、口を紡ぐものだということも知らないのか？られる。
Passive voice indicates the action is being done to the subject rather than the subject performing the action.
私の家は高さは3階分ありますが、床は一つだけです。さ、
Nominalizer for adjectives. The suffix sa in Japanese is used to turn an adjective or a noun into an abstract noun that represents the quality or characteristic of that adjective or noun.
君にどうしてもそれを言わせたかったんだ。させる。
To make or let somebody do something. The verb ending saseru in Japanese is a causative form. It is used to indicate the action of making or letting someone do something.
二人は来年結婚するらしいです。らしい。
Seems like. The Japanese word rashi is a suffix that is often used to express an inference, likelihood, or appearance based on external evidence or information.
あの薬は飲みにくいです。にくい。
Difficult to, hard to. This suffix is used to indicate that something is difficult or hard.
スポーツの中で何が一番上手ですか？の中で。
In, among. To compare, you are indicating a comparison among different things or choices.
代金を支払わないで店を出てしまった。ないで。
Without doing, don't. This phrase is used to indicate without doing or don't do.
車を運転しながら歌を歌います。ながら。
While, during, as. This conjunction is used to express simultaneous actions or conditions.
この犬はクマみたいです。みたい。
Like, similar to, resembling. This is used to express similarity or likeness to something. It's similar to saying like or seems like in English.